Hi there. My mom is Metal Mania Mom. She knows how to do many things. She cuts it, welds it, weaves it, knits it.
Who's that? Are you cold, little Basil? Are you trying to get warm? Look at that.
These are square nuts. Go across once. Bunches of 4. And I have 10 threads half hitched onto this line that are 45 inches long. Okay, now I start back at the first part again, and I take the second set of 4. And I'm making a little.
Oh, the second set of 4?
The second set of 4, leaving off those 2. What I'm doing is I'm joining them in a triangular pattern.
Oh, I see. And it creates kind of a tapered fringe. Awesome.
The fringe can be fringed, it can be knotted. We'll decide what to do once we put it, get it situated across the kitchen. Do you see how they're, and you keep the string straight, you don't let things twist and everything. These are all square knots. Now I start back again, and I leave those two there, and I use these,
Oh, that's awesome.
and that makes the cute little design in it, kind of like a little pineapple loop.
Awesome.
What we're making is a kitchen decoration to go across the ceiling to kind of
Ba-ba-da-ba-da.